And her goal is not in her.
So we are attending Android development workshop. So what we will study: introduction to Android, introduction to Android Studio, installation of Android Studio, installation of Java JDK and Kotlin JDK, basic knowledge about Gradle SDK and Android emulator, and two projects: Hello World application and voice to text converter. Now start with the introduction. So what is Android and why we develop apps for Android? Android is an operating system and programming platform developed by Google for smartphones. It can run on many different devices from many different manufacturers. Android includes a software development kit for writing original code. It also provided a marketplace to distribute apps. All Altogether, Android represents the ecosystem for the mobile apps. Why we develop apps for Android? Apps are, apps are developed for varieties of reasons, addressing the business requirements, building new services, creating new businesses, providing games like decent games. Decent games are the manufacturer of PUBG, Call of Duty, like type of content for the users. Most popular platform for mobile apps. Um, as the world most popular mobile platform, Android powers hundreds of millions of mobile devices, more than 200 countries around the world. It has the largest installed base of any mobile platform. Like we know that iOS, Windows, both are available in the market, but 70 to 80% market has been conducted by the Android, and 10 to 10% market has been captured by iOS, and some amount of market captured by Windows. Android provides UI interfaces to interacting with the apps. Android is designed to provide intermediate response to user input. The Android platform, based on the Linux kernel, it designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Since now Android TV is also coming. Now Android Software Development Kit, which we known as SDK, to develop apps that takes advantage of the operating system and UI. To develop apps like using the SDK, we use the file Java programming and Kotlin programming language as well, and the extensively markup language XML files for describing their data resources. To help you develop your apps efficiently, Google developers a full Java integrated development. That means IDE. Android Studio is an IDE where we can build an app which can run in our phones. Android provides a rich development architecture. We just don't need know much about the components of the architecture, but it is useful to know what is available in the system for your app to use. You can distribute your apps in many ways, like email, website, an app marketplace such as Google Play, mm, such as App Store, your phone app store. Like Redmi has his own app store. Like Realme also have its own app store. iOS has its own app store. Google Play is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google that serves as the official app store and for Android, allowing consumers and browse the download apps developed with the Android SDK and published through Google. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? Please, someone reply in the chat box. Am I audible or not? So now talk about the Android versions. So first Android version is launched on 2008, Android 1.0, and now it's running Android 10 actually, or Android Q. Okay, so first we want to know what is Android 1. Android 1.0 debuted on the HTC Dream and served up apps through Android market with 35 apps at launch. It Google Map used at the phone, GPS and Wi-Fi, and it had an on Android browser built right in. Then 1.5 Cupcake. It's coming on 2009 as the first major update of Android. Cupcake added widgets for the home screen, an on-screen keyboard, video recording in the camera, and copy and paste function from the web browser. What is the basic? What is the basic use of creating apps using Android Studio when there are other many ways can we create web apps which is much lighter than Android apps? Yes, you can obviously create web apps and apps using Ionic or you can using Python for that. But Android, but Android Android is much easier than creating that sort of. You can in Android you just need to know Java and Kotlin in Android Studio if you are using Android Studio. But if you want to make app through Ionic platform, you need to know AngularJS. And now AngularJS nowadays, you first need to know Java, then JavaScript, and then need to know AngularJS. So it's much complicated way. And 1.6 donut. So let's continue. What Android Donut bought search capabilities for everything on your phone, introduced the Android market and additional battery uses info. And 2009 and 2.0 Eclair, which also come in 2009. Microsoft user rejoice at Eclair support for Exchange. The OS also supported multiple Google accounts and let you search within text and SMS messages. It also added multi-touch support and camera improve and flash and digital zoom. Okay, now 2.2 Choreo, it come on 2010. Choreo introduced Flash Player 10.1, which bridged gaps by allowing phones to play video and stream audio. The camera flash now worked on video. Bluetooth compatibility was boosted, and you could use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. And since 2009, you can't use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. It's invented on 2010. Okay, in 2.3 version of Gingerbread, which come on to 2011. With Gingerbread, we can connect other nearby devices. The OS also allowed video calling using the front-facing camera and added a download manager. Okay, and 2011, then it comes Honeycomb. Okay, Honeycomb was the first update for tablets only. It included 3D graphics support, side-by-side browser tabs, video chatting with Google Talk, and Bluetooth filtering and full screen mode within the photo gallery. And then in 2011, 4.0 ice cream sandwich is found. With its clunky name, ICS merged the phone and tablet operating system. It added face recognition for unlocking phones. First phone face recognition recognizing phone. Okay, 2012 Jelly Bean comes. Jelly Bean had faster, smoother performance thanks to Project Butter. It let you interact more with expandable notification, and the Chrome browser become the default. Not much. Widgets came resizable, and Google Now came pre-installed. Okay. In 2023, 4.4 KitKat has been come. Google partnered with an actual food company to create the KitKat OS. As for the software itself, it added emojis to the Google keyboard, had a smaller memory footprint to support lower-end phones, and let you print on the go with Google Footprint. Okay. In 2014, 5.0 Lollipop has been invented. Google overhauled its aesthetic completely with a flat interface known as Material Design. Notification came in banners across the lock screen or as pop-up alerts. The OS also had priority mode, multi-user support, screen cleaning, and recent apps were renamed Overview. In 2015, Marshmallow has been introduced. Marshmallow introduced doze mode to save on battery life. It also added built-in support for fingerprint reader, USB Type-C, and 4K mode for apps. Okay. Then in 2016, 7.0 Nougat has been launched. With Nougat, you could finally clear all your apps in overview with a single tap. It, it let you. In 2017, Oreo has been introduced apps for even more multitasking. There was also better copy and paste experience. Okay, and now 9.0 and 10 is 9 Android Pie focused on the behind the scene improvement, and then which has not been named now Android Q. So now we start with the practical session. Okay,